Is it on? Is it going?
Wait. Take 33.
Hey guys, Terrence here at Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia, in the Butler Creek Shopping Center, down from Uptown Cheapskates and the Kroger Shopping Center. So Dan, tell us what we have for today.
I think today's Friday,
It's
which
Friday.
means it's Free Diagnostic Friday. Free? Wait. Hold on. There ain't nothing in this world free, okay? But it is. Trust me, it's Free Diagnostic Friday every Friday. Where'd Terrence go?
I'm over here.
There he is.
Free Diagnostic Fridays. That means if you have a computer, a laptop, or desktop, you get a $45 to $65 value free of charge. We can diagnose this. Just give us 24 to 48 hours to figure out what's going on. I want to talk about some other products that we have here at Computers Plus. A lot of things for your cell phones, for our speakers, power banks, game controllers, different devices and adapters to hook your phone up to your television via HDMI, selfie lights. These are just some of the other items that we have here at Computers Plus, as well as smart tech stuff. So from Echoes to
Alexa, turn the radio up.
Oh my gosh. All this stuff, great stuff here at Computers Plus. Now, one thing that a lot of people don't know about is we have our game center. And our game center is anything from thermal paste to SATA cables to gaming mice, gaming headsets. We got a nice starting collection of PC games. So if you guys have some old PC games you want to clear out of your closet, bring them us. We'll give you guys some money for it. So just some of the great things we have here at Computers Plus. I'm trying to find where Dan is though, but I know that we got some really great deals going on for desktops, but I'm just trying to find where my man Dan is because there's just so much stuff going on. Hey Dan, where you at?
It's a big store, man.
Dan, where are you at?
I'm over here.
Oh,
Okay. Tim Tebow just threw me the pass. Now I got it. What? Okay, I got it. So, this is really one cool thing I love. It's great about this particular custom PC right here. Not only is it mini, that's right, I said mini. But if you set your phone on top of that, it charges. What? It charges.
unbelievable.
That's right.
That's unbelievable.
You're telling me.
Right? Hey, Dan, come over here. Check this out. I got some great stuff over here.
I'm getting, okay.
You getting there? Can I pass
All
it
right,
back?
yeah,
Wait,
yeah,
hold
yeah.
on. Say, let me throw it back to him.
What?
Uh-oh. Oh, wait, let me throw it back to you. Oh, he fumbled, ladies and gentlemen.
I must play for the Eagles.
Oh, Dan, what do we got in your section? What's happening over there, man?
So in here is our budget gaming PCs. These are fully customized to fit your budget and keep customized in your mind. Because say this has 8 gigs of RAM in it, you say, well, that ain't enough to play Fortnite.
I want 16.
Right? They want 16. You got it. We can put it in there for you. Not a problem. You want a new processor? It's got a little Intel, like, you want a Ryzen, right? No problem. Here's another one of our custom gaming PCs. Again, fully customized. It's got a 500 gig hard drive. This one only has 8 gigs RAM, so keep in mind, little Pac-Man chewing them power pellets. Okay, we can upgrade that to 16 or even 32 gigs of RAM if you want. 32 gigs of RAM is, I think, a little overkill.
Hey, you know what? It's up to you,
But
right?
it's great future proofing, as I say, for your computer. So wait, Terrence, I know he's got more.
Hey, I'm right on here. I'm right here. So just to let you guys know, now one of the things that we like to talk about Computers Plus is how to keep you safe. And one thing about keeping yourself safe with your laptop is you never want to put your laptop on your bed. what happens is that there's vent fans underneath your laptop, and those fibers can get into your fan and actually burn out your laptop. So we always recommend that if you do have a laptop, keep it on a table, a hard surface. Also, we like to recommend cooling fans. And we got cooling fans here for your laptops up to 17-inch. So just another way we like to keep you guys safe. We have an assortment of different netbooks to tablets to canned air to mini fans.
That's right, canned air.
Canned air.
And don't spray your keyboard like this.
Yes, spray it.
FYI.
Like that, right? That's FYI. I can't get enough of this guy. Anyways, but so again,
I don't know who
you know what, Danny? We talk. Okay, our rent-to-own program. Tell them about rent-to-own program.
Oh, hey, you got any kind of budget, but you're thinking about it and you're like, well, man, I really just don't have the cash right now. You know, my income tax didn't come back yet. You know, I'm still waiting on that last W-2 before I can even file my taxes. So, no problem. We got rent to own. We work with 5 companies. Count them, 5 companies that can get you approved and into anything that we have here. So, with that being said,
you know what? You can find us at www.computersplususa.com. Click the Rent to Own tab. Check out the 5 lenders. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call and we can work you through. One of the tips for the Rent to Own is that you must have a job for at least 3 months and a bank account for 3 months. We have some lenders, which is Acima and America's First, that can increase your credit score. So if you want to think about building up your credit, you may want to take a look at those lenders. This is Terrence and Dan. We're signing off. We will
see you real soon.